how to add baggage on Rex Airlines. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can add baggage on Rex Airlines and how do you go about it. Okay, the first step is for you to log in into your Rex account, just like I've done here. And so once you are logged in, you're brought to your own page automatically. But you can see the Rex logo by the top left corner. Next to it, you can see options like plan and book, manage bookings, ready to fly, loyalty program, etc. So the next step would be for you to scroll down to the section where you can see book flights, manage bookings, web check-in, and then click on manage bookings. Now, there are often two ways for you to add baggages to your flight on West Airlines. You can do it while booking, and then you can also do it after you booked and then you felt you realized that you needed another baggage. Now, let's say you've booked already and then you want to add an extra baggage. It's very simple. Once you're on the manage booking page, you can decide to update and make necessary changes to your flight details, right? And once you're on this stage, the next step will be for you to enter in your booking reference that was sent to you after making payments for your flight. Then enter in your first name as well as your last name in here. Then click on retrieve booking. Once you've done that, you will then be directed to the booking page. Once you're on this page, choose the flight for which you want to add baggage. Click on the option to add baggage. Then choose the baggage type. Alright, select if it's just an add-on bag or a checked baggage. Okay. So once you have done that, you'll be asked to provide necessary details and then pay the additional fee. This is that simple. Okay, just ensure that you choose the right flight, then choose the option to add baggage still on the same page, and then select whether you want to add carry-on or check baggage, provide the necessary details, pay the additional fee, and you are good to go. Okay, so but for add by booking a new flight is very simple. Once you are in the book flight session and then you selected your your location as well as your destination, your travel date, you click on book now, and then you're taken to the page where you have to select your flight. Ensure you select a flight, then the next stage would be your passengers details. Ensure you do that, and then you will take it to the stage where you have to select extras. Okay, so that page you can now decide to add baggages that way. So ensure you pay attention to every detail by booking your flight so as to avoid missing out on adding baggages on your flights on Rex Airline. Thank you for watching and have a good day.